Hey, Farmer Marshall here. I just want to take a little bit of time and tell you about a subject that I've spoken on before in a few videos. I just want to tell you a little bit about my solar power journey. My first generator was not actually what I expected it to be because I didn't pick it out. My wife surprised me because I've been talking about solar. So she bought this little guy here, the 200-watt Flashfish. I think the model number is E200. It's a nice little guy. Um, we use it mainly for just small items, charging the phone up, fan, radio. Because we'll go outside and there's no plugs, so we're just plugging the radio or plugging the fan in the pavilion. And it didn't come with this, but my first solar panel was actually this little 50-watt guy here that comes from Flashfish also. Sold separately. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have it sitting on my floor right behind me. See how that little bar is going up? It's actually charging inside the house. It's not bringing in a ton of power right now because it really doesn't show me exactly how much power it's bringing in. It just has the little bars, 5 little bars. As it gets more power in it, as it fills up, the bars go up. So nice little generator. And I love the solar panel because it's great for taking on a trip. Now my next generator, the Saffron, 500 watts, powers 500 watts continuously. So if I ran something 500 watts out of this, it run for an hour. 200, if it's 250 watts, it run for 2 hours, and you know how that goes. Nice little generator. 500 watts, that powers a lot of things around the house. I can run my computers, I can run a TV, I can run my I have some wireless headphones. I'll run it off of that. I can run clocks, run lights, plenty of things I can run off of that. My next baby here, this is the one that I absolutely love. The Bluetti EB70S. Now, when I bought it on sale for, I think it was like 530 bucks. The EB70 was selling for $599 at the time. So this one has 800 watts. The regular EB70 has 700 watts. So not a big difference as far as watts, but I'll take every bit of watts I can get, especially for $70 less. Nice little beast. This thing will power almost most things in the house, let me put it that way. It's not going to power a hot plate. It's not going to power an air conditioner. But my upright freezer takes about 290 watts an hour. This thing here powers it for a little over 2.5 hours. So great little device, especially for emergencies if you need good power. My next item, and you wouldn't think of this little guy here as being solar powered. You've seen these guys here, already advertised on TV, where you screw them into your light bulb and it charges. So when the power goes out, you can use the light. Well, this one here is solar powered. It even comes with these cute little solar panels. You just plug it into the battery here, hold back there, let it charge up, and voila! I almost feel like a magician. The light bulb is on in my hand, no plugs. And I haven't charged this up in probably about 4 months. And on occasion, I'll just take them out the box and just turn it on just to make sure it's held a charge. But I figure 4, 5, 6 months, you should charge it. Check at least once or twice a year because things will not hold a charge for years and years. So just going to check it. Nice little device. Comes in a box of 2. I think you got those on Amazon. Maybe 20 bucks. It's worth it during emergency situations. Earlier this year, my electrical panel was messing up in certain rooms, so I use these to light up the room. Also, use that to light up a room sometime too. Now, my next item is not something someone thinks of as being part of their solo journey, but these little rechargeable batteries here, charge it up on that. When your power goes out, if you need to charge batteries for your flashlights or whatever, because you know your power goes out, you're going to use your flashlights. But how long is that going to last? These batteries here, use those to charge it up. So that's basically my entire. So, well, I won't say there's one more item. The my rich solar panels, which are right outside my office, on top of the overhang over my front porch. I just stick them there, and I don't have to go outside to plug in my batteries to charge them up. I just slide the cord out the window and plug it up, and I'm good to go. Unless I'm gonna put it on the floor to charge, but you know, those batteries, those panels are too big to be bringing in and out the house, and they're not foldable. They're your hard shell panels, so they just stay where they are. I never move them, don't switch them around. They do what I need to do. So this is not really a review of the items. I do have a review coming out of the, excuse me, of the EB70 soon. I did a video months ago on this when I first got it, and somehow it disappeared. Anyway, I'm going to be putting that video back up, and soon after I'll do basically an update to the video showing the things I've done to it. So anyway, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I know I don't have the dogs with me right now, but I couldn't bring them inside. So act like Princess here and Bear is here, and they're barking, especially Bear. And they're barking, and you know, just they're saying like and subscribe for Daddy. Um, they don't call me Farmer Marshall. They call me Daddy. You know, I'm Dad. My dog Daddy. I know I almost hate to admit it, but it's true. I love my guys. Anyway, like, subscribe. Use your power, test your preps, grow some food. You know, there's plenty of time wherever you are, well, in most places, to still grow some food, even if you have to grow it indoors. Grow some food. Let's go out there and get a little dirty, okay? Farmer Marshall.